After 14 simulated years of hostile runtime, the Vapor Audit Omega system faced a synchronized triad of catastrophic threats, a perfect storm engineered to break the architecture. It began the second the European database node went dark. Instinctively, the commercial cloud network prioritized uptime over sovereignty, automatically rerouting 10 million highly sensitive biometric records straight toward American hardware. Relying on standard network routing ensures an immediate border breach, proving that resilience without hard physical boundaries is a liability. But before a single byte of foreign data could hit persistent American storage, a compiled bare metal rejection instantly purged the entire payload from ephemeral memory. That geographic victory held for a fraction of a second, only to collide with an impossible contradiction in legal mandates. The system received millions of simultaneous commands to permanently erase user records under strict privacy laws, while operating under a federal injunction demanding those exact records be preserved as evidence. One legal force actively dissolving the data, the other attempting to freeze it indefinitely. Facing mutually exclusive directives, survival requires a hard-coded hierarchy to dictate what gets destroyed and what remains. A built-in semantic firewall physically intercepts the conflict, locking the records down and enforcing the mandate that preservation defeats erasure. The vulnerable data is transformed into an immutable state, shielded from deletion by a codified legal exemption. The interceptor simultaneously generated an immutable audit trail, locking the decision into a cryptographically sound record that satisfies federal mandates before the erasure can move. While the legal logic held on the surface, the true threat was waiting deep within the microscopic, volatile physics of the server itself. An adversary attempted a silent teleportation attack, trying to pull the virtual machine overseas while faking its geographic coordinates to bypass the rules. Abandoning software location tags, the system anchors its jurisdiction to the one constant an adversary cannot fake: the physical speed of light. Trapped by physical constants, the attacker launched a desperate final assault directly at the system's core memory. They tried to forcibly freeze the execution timeline, hoping to scrape sensitive cryptographic keys directly from the volatile RAM while the processor paused. But the thermodynamic sentry triggered the moment it detected the intruder's footprint. No graceful shutdown, just immediate physical destruction. Committing cryptographic suicide, the system instantly revoked all physical memory mappings and scorched the environment, leaving the attacker empty-handed. Surviving an advanced persistent threat requires more than failing safely. It demands absolute containment and the cold willingness to destroy your own battlefield. Access the full forensic audit of the Great Collision to uncover the exact microcode and mechanical architecture that made this physics-based survival possible.